I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, right out of the window, Bitcoin. Pullback after pullback after pullback. The most important thing is everybody knows that watches this channel, we do not hold downtrends because they are brutal in this market. Look, if you bought Bitcoin back here, you nailed the bottom end of September. Here you are, right back where you started. If you don't take profits and pay yourself on the way up, this market rolls over and you give it all back. Remember, you don't lose money in this market. Other people take your money. Do not let other people take your money. Now we had the baby death cross, the 21 below the 200 simple. Now you have a death cross coming with the 50 and the 200. The support that needs to hold here is in this area, 40,600, 38,500. We're going to look at some lower term time frames in a second to look for a bounce, but Bitcoin obviously hasn't been amazing. I mean, we've had some tremendous downside since the middle of November. Remember, this next bounce could be merely a move to the upper trend line. You want to see some type of breakout of this falling wedge, and then you're looking for more upside. And the measured move of this breakout, depending on where the breakout happens, would be in this area. You know, could be 52,000. If this next high is not higher than the previous high, you're looking for more downside out of Bitcoin long term. Right? It's going to take some time to play out. So you have to ask yourself, what are the bullish catalysts? Like I mean, the market's super fearful. S&P 500 pulled back and Bitcoin pulled back at the exact same time. There's a lot of concerns with inflation. Fed's going to start raising rates in the second quarter of 2022. Now, when this bounce happens for Bitcoin, the most important thing is you got to be in the right altcoins because you will make a ton of money. Historically, January and February for altcoins have been life-changing. So this bounce, the reason why these altcoins have altcoin seasons is because they get completely destroyed with Bitcoin pullbacks. And so we're going to buy into strength. We're going to make a ton of money, but we have to be patient for this to happen. If your skill set is not up to speed and you don't understand a lot of what I'm talking about, it's time to make a change. Make a change for the new year. Start learning. YouTube, I'm telling you, YouTube can be one of the worst things to watch because everybody wants to give you these price targets and there's obvious ideas on these charts that I stick to, but it's not about predicting the future. These measured moves play out a high percentage of the time. But when everybody up here is calling for $200,000 Bitcoin and people are just buying, they keep FOMOing into the top. And that's the problem with this market. I was explaining to somebody today, the problem with crypto and the stock market too, everybody FOMOs in when people are talking about it, right? And the best time to buy is when people are scared, but we want to wait for some type of reversal to be put in on the daily chart for Bitcoin. A reversal possibility, and this is a 30-minute chart, Bitcoin is in this smaller falling wedge. This 68% chance this breaks out to the upside. However, if this thing breaks lower, parabolic drop, and you could see $40,000, $38,000 Bitcoin. Not amazing. A lot of times these big drawdowns end with parabolic drops, and then the whales come in and buy all your Bitcoin that retail sells out of fear. So you have to understand how this market works. There's definitely room for downside on the RSI here as well. So pay attention. If Bitcoin does nothing for the entire weekend, possibly you get some green altcoins. And that's where it's at. It's not amazing trading. You have to upgrade your skill set to make a ton of money in this market. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, so he joined the group. He didn't even know how to trade, draw bull flags, bull pennants, nothing. I just saw him. He started his own YouTube channel, which I told him, you got to do this. You got to do this. He was just on BitBoy channel with over 1 million subscribers. He says, my mentor, my buddy, my teacher, I love you. Dude, there is no better feeling in the world to see people around you succeed. This is my calling. This person Said, are you there? He made $70,000 on Kucoin trading these gem picks. Who else? Tell me anybody. Who else is doing this? This person started with $100. 700x'd his money. Bang. And this person went from $100 to $10,000 in 2 months on Kucoin. Gem picks. Killing it. Listen, I'm going to continue running the New Year's special, 60% off plus $100 discount. Make sure. Change your life. New Year's resolution. Get rich in crypto. If you're interested in joining my cryptocurrency trading group, go to my website, cryptorev.net. If you pay with cryptocurrency for 6 months or 12 months, it's 50% off. If you pay for the year, you get 1 additional month for free. You can always choose to pay on a monthly basis from month to month with a card. Just click this link. Or if you go down to the description, you can click this link to the website. If you have any questions or you need to email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. We'll get you on the team today. The reason why we do so well is because we find the best setups. Near up 75%, back here 107%, 92% gains in FTM, 160% gains. We talked about Ethereum on December the 30th. And I said, if you get this bearish retest, you're going to get a lot of downside out of Ethereum. Here we are, fast forward, Ethereum, bearish retest. Like this is a strongest group of sellers is right here, rolled over. Now, there's some bounce ideas, but if you come back up here and you get a bearish retest of this 200 simple coming in here on the daily, you're looking for more downside, and you could see $2,800 out of Ethereum. Your RSI is oversold. Like there's bounce ideas, but it's like, when is it going to happen? And instead of, think about it. If you're trying to catch the bottom of these cryptos, you're going to be wrong every single time but one. That's not very good odds. So what I propose is you wait for some type of reversal. You get some type of market structure printed, and you start to buy into the uptrend. You know, you get a good double bottom reversal, some bullish divergence, but Ethereum not looking amazing. Short-term bounce, just be careful. It might roll over again. Bitcoin dominance. And so this is important to understand. Just real quick so you guys understand how this works. There's Bitcoin dominance is based on 100%, right? You take all the altcoins make up 60% of the entire crypto market cap right now. So that means Bitcoin makes up 40%. So when Bitcoin dominance increases, that means essentially more money is moving into Bitcoin. So if this pumps, it's critical for altcoins that this thing rolls over and we get some type of altcoin season. If this pumps, potentially you see a big move out of Bitcoin and altcoins take a considerable hit. Be ready. If this thing gets rejected and you see some downside, there's some possibilities where some of these strong altcoins can take off. But right now, the market does not look amazing. I'll keep you guys updated daily. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.